To make a tiger, inflate an orange balloon, leaving a margin at the end of a little less than 5 inches. Compress the balloon a little bit so that there is less pressure. Start by making a nice round bubble. Then make a second bubble a tiny bit smaller, followed by a third bubble which will be much bigger. Then a fourth bubble which should be exactly the same size as the second one, and you end up this series of bubbles with the bubbles that will be exactly the same size as the first bubble. Holding the knot at the base of this series of bubbles, lock twist them all together. Once the lock twist is done, by safety, take the knot and pass it on the other side of the series of bubbles. Now, make another small round bubble, which should be about the same size as this one, followed by another bubble, which should be about twice as big. Now, feed those two bubbles through that loop. The fold between the last big bubble and the last segment of balloon should just come and lodge itself naturally in the middle of the loop. With a little imagination, you can already see the mouth, the cheeks, the forehead, and the two ears of our balloon tiger. Since we talked about the ears, let's make 2 pinch twists so we can see the two ears of the tiger a little clearer. Now we can see it much better. That's the head of our little tiger. Let's just do the body of our tiger. We will just borrow the one of the more advanced dog that we did recently. So let's start by a small neck, followed by 2 legs that should be, of course, identical in size, and that we lock twist together. Then, depending on how much balloon we have left, we make a small tummy, or a bigger tummy if you have a lot of balloon left. And then the 2 hind legs, the same size as the 2 front legs. We lock twist them together. We just open the legs a little bit so they're not too stuck together. And what is left is the tail of our balloon tiger. And now we'll give a nice S shape to the tail so it looks a little more natural and not so straight. Same with the tummy. Let's give our tiger a cute little tummy. And there it is. See? That's the shape of our tiger. Now let's draw on it. We start with the 2 little eyes, the eyebrows, the nose, the little bit of mustache, and its stripes. Stripes on the ears, stripe on the front legs, stripes on the back, stripes on the tail, and stripes on the hind legs. And there you have it, your very own balloon tiger.